had to go get a hand blender. And while I'm there, I'm standing in line. They got a deal on the atomic beam lantern. Sandy came, a couple of us were out with lights, and I thought this would be a nice thing to have. $20, $8. I got it for $8. Stop, $8. Need a razor blade. Oops, hope I didn't break it. Yep, watch the commercials. We'll test it tonight. You know, when it's dark out. Oh, we got a twisty in the back. Ooh, we like that feature. Got the handle. Pop up. Magnets. Hang. And how you turn it on. I don't see a switch. Oh. We need to put batteries in it. Use a razor blade. Got no batteries, so wait for it. Alright. We don't have fully charged batteries. Whoa, there we go. So when it's shut, it shuts off. And when you pull it out, it lights up. That's why there's no switch on it. Cool. Now we're ready in case I lose power again. I have light. We'll just take and hang it somewhere. I have no more nails on my thumb. And maybe I'll just hang it. And it'll be good to go. There it is. Nice and bright. Wait, it's astonishingly bright. Thank you, Google.